Alright, I'm going to demonstrate one other final thing that has to do with inheritance. Let's say I come back into the weapon class, and just before fire weapon I add this word final. So what is final? Final means that this class, or this method of the class, is only available inside of weapon. Anything that is extended from weapon cannot change fire weapon. Let's see what happened, because in gun we did change fire weapon. Look at there. So fire weapon now has a compiler error. It says cannot override the final method from weapon. So you can fix it. It says remove final. Or the other way is just don't include this in your class. So we would delete it and everything would work fine. So if you don't want people overriding your methods, you just put the word final in there and they will stay in their current form. So I'm going to take the word final out because I want my program to run properly, and we'll leave it like that. So let's take a look at what I expect you to turn in here. So I would want you to run through all the code that we did here and show me screenshots and the theory of operations for every one of these guys here. So some of these things ask you to explain, and some of these things just ask you to demonstrate. But in this case, we'll have a Word document with a bunch of pictures. Make sure that you put captions under the photos so that we know what we're looking at. And then you've got yourself the deliverable for the weapons store class.